Morning students, this is second video of chapter 1 Geography, Local Time and Standard Time. Students, here one activity is given. Try this activity. Perform this activity in the Kho ground on a bright sunny day. Consider the following points. Choose one pole on ground that stays under the sun for the whole day for this activity. Observe the directions in which shadow of this pole falls at different times of the day. Measure the shadows and record in your notebook. Note the relative directions of the shadows and the sun in your notebook. Figure 1.1. Where is the sun located in the sky when the shadow is the shortest? At what time are the shadows longest during the day? Through this activity, we can understand the location of the sun during the day and changes occurring in the shadow. Now, geographical explanation. You would have realized by observation that the shadows in the early morning and evening were the longest, while those at the noon were the shortest, because of the change in the apparent location of the sun in the sky. The length and the direction of the shadow of the pole kept changing. See figure 1.1. This is because a specific part of the earth faces the sun during rotation and moves forward. See figure 1.2. Incidentally, we also experienced that there is cooler in the morning and evening and warmer in the afternoon. In this paragraph, we learn that early in the morning and evening shadows were longest and at the noon were the shortest because of the location of the sun in the sky. The length and the direction of shadow of the pole kept changing. We can see in figure 1.1 that specific part of the earth is in front of the sun during the rotation, and incidentally we feel cooler in the morning and in the evening, and we feel warmer in the afternoon. So once again students, you can observe the figure 1.1 once again. See, there is a pole. You can see here pole. This is the east. The sun moves its position. This is suppose early morning. This is morning 8 a.m. The sun, see, it's changing position. Evening 4 p.m. you can see the shadow. This shadow is morning 8 a.m. This morning 10 a.m. This shadow of the pole is directly bottom of the pole. The shadow of the pole is direct at the bottom of the pole. And afternoon 2 o'clock, this is little bit tilt. And as sun moves here east to west,